Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Cloud Console and signing in, then go straight to New Project. Enter a descriptive name, review the auto-generated project ID, and choose the organization or folder. Once done, attach a billing account. This enables APIs and resources. Make sure to set IAM owner or project editor permissions if you need multiple users. This first step gets the project scaffolded so you can enable services, create resources, and avoid permission roadblocks later. Next, enable the core APIs your work requires, like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and EM. You do this in APIs and services. Enable each API before provisioning resources to prevent errors. Then configure identity and access management. Assign least privilege roles to users and groups. Create service accounts for automation, grant them specific roles, and download JSON keys only when necessary. Once done, store keys securely and rotate them periodically. Because service accounts finally provision a small resource as a smoke test, launch a VM, create a storage bucket, or spin up Cloud SQL. This verifies billing, APIs, and permissions are correct. Next, set budgets and alerts to avoid surprise charges and enable audit logs for monitoring. Make sure to tag resources and apply organization policies as needed. If things go wrong, first check billing status, API enablement, IAM roles, and regional quotas. Resolving those 4 items solves most provisioning failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.